Hello everyone, my name is Anasha Goyal. Today I will read Sun and Rain. Sun and Rain. Rain in Cornwall. This card is from my sister in Cornwall. I went surfing today. There was a good wind. See you soon, Kim. Rain in Spain. Grand and Granddad sent me this card from Spain. Greetings from Spain. Dear Yasmin, it has been raining hard all week. What a pain. Grand and Granddad. It can rain in Spain too. A storm in Denmark. Mom is on a trip to Denmark. We have had such a storm. There was thunder and lightning all night long. I like big storms. A shower in York. Nan sent me this card from York. Dear Duncan, I am seeing the sight in York. We just had a shower of rain and now I am soaking wet. A breeze in Scotland. This card is from Mark in Scotland. I went in a boat today. It was good fun sailing in the breeze. Mark. Sun in India. My granddad is in India. It looks very hot. Greetings from India. Dear Lorna, it has been burning hot all week. Thank goodness for my son had granddad. Frost in Finland. This card is from my mom in Finland. Looks at all the snow. It feels like winter today. There is a hard frost and it is starting to snow. Mum. Map. Scotland, Finland, Denmark, York, Cornwall, Spain, India. It is